Cement block is a growing business that actually works in today's booming construction economy. But real success hinges on picking the right machine. Today, we're reviewing 7 proven semi-automatic and automatic concrete block making machines that save you serious time and money. From compact backyard setups to high-capacity production beasts, these options cover every budget and growth stage. Whether you're a first-timer or aiming for big contracts, these machines make daily profits simple and reliable. Ready to turn cheap raw materials into steady daily profit? Let's break them down one by one. The HF H1000 from Qingdao HF Machinery is a fully automatic block-making machine built for consistent, professional production. It features a fast 15 to 20-second molding cycle and a powerful vibration frequency of 2,800 to 4,200 revolutions per minute, ensuring dense and durable blocks. Depending on block size, it can produce around 900 to 1,200 pieces per shift, making it suitable for small factories or garage-based operations. Powered by 15 kilowatt vibration motors, this machine runs on local voltage and uses a PLC control system for easy operation. With a compact footprint and a weight of about 5,500 kilograms, it's practical yet powerful. Priced between $26,500 and $28,500, it's ideal for entrepreneurs seeking reliability and long-term stability. The Kaidong QT 5-15 is designed for entrepreneurs aiming for serious scale. This fully automatic hydraulic machine delivers a 15 to 20-second molding cycle with a strong 100 kN vibration force, producing high-strength hollow blocks, pavers, and interlocking bricks. Its standout feature is capacity, an impressive 12,000 to 14,000 blocks per day, ideal for bulk orders and infrastructure projects. It operates on industrial voltage, 380 to 440 volts, and uses Siemens PLC systems with Schneider electrical components for precision and durability. With pricing ranging from $19,000 to $36,000, depending on configuration, the QT 515 is built for businesses ready to dominate local construction markets and outproduce competitors. The Wante WT 12-15 stands out for its mobility and extremely high output. This automatic egg-laying brick machine moves directly on the ground, eliminating pallet costs and fixed installations. With a rapid 15-second molding cycle and 50 kilopascals vibration force, it can produce up to 34,560 blocks per day, one of the highest outputs in its class. Powered by a 24.5 kilowatt system and available in 380 volts or 220 volts, it's compact, mobile, and ideal for open yard or on-site production. Priced around $14,000 to $15,000, it's perfect for entrepreneurs who want flexibility and speed, especially for supplying blocks directly at construction locations. The Kaidong QT 4-15C is a budget-friendly, fully automatic solution without compromising on quality. It offers an 80 to 90 kN vibration force and produces around 5,760 blocks per day, supporting hollow blocks, pavers, and interlocking bricks. This machine uses Siemens PLC control and Schneider switches, ensuring stable and precise operation. With support for multiple voltages and optional mixers like the JS750, it's flexible for different factory setups. Prices start as low as $9,900 for bulk orders, making it highly attractive for startups transitioning from manual to automated production. It's an excellent choice for turning a small facility into a serious manufacturing operation. The Hongfa QT 6-15 is built for entrepreneurs with big ambitions. This automatic hydraulic block-making machine delivers a fast 15-second cycle and can reach production levels of up to 50,000 blocks per day, depending on configuration. Designed for heavy-duty, long-term use, it's ideal for supplying large housing projects, commercial developments, and government contracts. While detailed dimensions aren't fully listed, Hongfa's reputation for durability and efficiency makes this machine a trusted choice globally. Manufactured by an 18-year industry leader with full customization and local service support, the QT6-15 is best suited for businesses ready to move from local supplier to regional powerhouse. This Hongfa automatic paver and brick machine is engineered for precision-focused construction markets. With a 15 to 20 second cycle time, 60 kN vibration force, and vibration speeds up to 4,200 revolutions per minute, it delivers smooth, uniform pavers and blocks. It produces around 4,480 pieces per day and runs on 220 to 440 volts using Siemens motors. Certified with CE and ISO standards, this machine is well suited for urban infrastructure, landscaping, and road projects. Priced around $10,500, it's an excellent entry into the high-margin paver segment. This machine fits perfectly. The Xinming QT4-24 is the most affordable entry point into the cement block business. This semi-automatic machine operates on a 20 to 25 second cycle and produces about 5,760 blocks per day. It uses vibration compaction and comes bundled with a JQ350 mixer, making it ideal for beginners. Compact, lightweight, and easy to operate, it runs on 380-volt power and requires hands-on involvement, perfect for learning production fundamentals. With pricing between $4,500 and $4,700 and a 2-year product warranty, this machine is ideal for small workshops, rural markets, or first-time entrepreneurs testing demand before scaling up. As you've seen, starting a concrete block business isn't about buying the biggest machine. It's about choosing the right one for your budget, space, and market demand. From hands-on semi-automatic models to fully automated production systems capable of tens of thousands of blocks per day, each of these machines offers a clear path to profit when matched with the right strategy. Comment below which machine fits your goals best, and let us know if you want a full ROI breakdown, profit calculator, or country-specific setup guide. Don't forget to subscribe for more machine-based business ideas that turn equipment into income.